Hi, fourth graders. Mrs. Watson here. Today, right now, we are going to do part of our reading lesson and continue reading those nonfiction articles to think about the main idea and the details that support that idea. And we're going to do it with a brand new article today. If you look in your green classwork folder, you will find this article titled Good Germs. You'll have the printout version. And you should also have another boxes and bullets page. Don't panic. You are not doing all of this by yourself today, but you're going to start on your own, and then you are going to finish it tomorrow when we are together. So at this point, you will need those 2 pages out. You will need a regular pencil and 3 different colored pencils or crayons, but not pens, not highlighters or markers. You can pause this video right now to gather those materials. I paused 2 real quick just to make sure that you were able to get your regular pencil and your 3 different colors for underlining. Twistables or colored pencils are probably easier. At this point, I am going to read this article along with you, and then I'm going to go over the directions. So right now, those headphones should be in, and you should be looking at the page or following along on my screen. The title is called Good Germs. Did you know that not all germs are bad? It's true. Germs are living inside your body right now that are actually helpful. One place we find good germs is in our intestines. These germs help us make the best use of the nutrients in the food we eat. They also help turn what's left over into waste. Without these good germs, your body couldn't process the food that you eat. Scientists use good germs to make medicines and vaccines. Some believe that using antibiotics too often might kill off our good germs, leading to obesity due to poor digestion. Other researchers believe that good germs may have a wide variety of benefits. Studies have shown that they help prevent diabetes and asthma. They can help the immune system function correctly and even ward off certain types of cancer. Germs living on your skin can even help prevent infections. Some of the germs in your body may cause you to get sick from time to time, but many of those germs work with your body to keep it balanced and healthy. Let's pause real quick. You can rewind and replay me reading this to you anytime, or you can continue to read it on your own, because remember, we read something all the way through one time before we move on. So now we're going to go back and think, what is the overall main idea of this article? What is it telling us about? It might not always be the very first sentence, but it can often be in the beginning or sometimes repeated at the end of a passage. Right now, I want you to get your regular pencil ready and underline the sentence that you think sums up the main idea of the article. I'm going to pause the video again so you can pause it too until you're ready to move on. By now, you should have underlined the sentence that you think is the main idea. What you're going to do is look at your box and bullet page, and you're just going to look at the top. You are going to rewrite the main idea in your own words. But before you write it, remember, you need a sentence starter. The main idea of the passage is. The main idea of the article is. For those words, spelling does not matter, but there are clues here such as article and passage to help you with that spelling. And if you're pulling the information from this, the words should be correct. I'm going to pause again so that you can write the main idea on your boxes and bullets page, and I am going to check this tomorrow. Now that you have written down the main idea, which you should be finished with, you're going to go back in the article and look for the 3 details that support that idea. Sometimes one detail can be more than one sentence that goes together, so they'll be the same color, but each detail should be a different color. You're not going to write it in the box, you're just underlining today. Tomorrow we're going to check the details that you underlined and then we are going to write it together into the box. That is your only assignment right now. When you have finished underlining the 3 different supporting details, you can put these 2 pages in your green folder and move on to the next slide. Good luck! I know you can do it.